Hi, my name is Debbie Lechusa, the Business Stylist. Are you a coach, consultant, or other service professional who makes a living using your expertise? Would you like to learn how to leverage that expertise and actually use it to market your business? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do in this course. I'm going to teach you how to use what's called content marketing, and I'm going to share 11 different strategies that you can use to position yourself as an expert in your industry and really become known as the go-to person for what it is you do. When you're able to do that, you start attracting amazing opportunities like speaking invitations. You get media coverage. You even get guest blogging invitations, TV interviews, all kinds of things that can help further market your business, and it's all free. I've been using content marketing since before the term content marketing existed. I started back in 2005, and I've used all of the strategies I'm going to teach you in this course. This is an introductory course, so it's a great way to get started and help you identify the strategies that you would like to start using to become known as an expert in your field.